And somehow I got a real Harley part in there.
How'd you manage that?
I don't know. Usually they don't have parts in the video, but they had a bunch of weird auctions going on lately. A lot of mixed up bikes.
Hmm.
So this is it. Did you find the year on this thing?
I did not.
It says little gear. It says well. It says gear on it. It says it's for a Harley Davidson. It's for a motorcycle.
Yeah.
U.S. government. It says main shaft too. If you get the Cosmoline, see the Cosmoline?
Yeah.
Just move it out of the way. And main shaft. First. U.S. number. There's your military number. Want some Cosmoline?
No thanks.
Okay, you got a lot of it.
Official stock.
Mm-hmm. Put it back in there. Somewhere we're going to have a Harley number. There's the Harley number. 41. Damn, I would have never known that.
I think that was the first thing you said.
I can tell by the size and shape what it is. Oh, you can get it opened up over here already. Oh, it looks like there's a gear teeth in here.
Oh, yeah.
See, if you go right over there on that shelf over there, see there's a whole bunch of those boxes right there that have orange stuff all over them?
Yep.
That'd be the civilian version of these.
Yeah.
The 40 and earlier are smaller diameter, so that's how you can tell the difference. But I can tell by looking at them. But you scrape you take all this stuff off, you can see actually what the numbers are. But yeah, so that's a WLA first gear.
Nice.
Full of file parts. Good stuff.
Fancy.
So I can take my distributor here for my Sportster, and I can put it with my first gear, and that'll fit on a 45. So
Yeah.
it's not correct, but it'll fit.
It'll work.